Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to increase icon size on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, customizing the icon size allows you to tailor the appearance of your device to suit your personal preferences. You might prefer a larger icon size for aesthetic reasons or for better organization of your home screen. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. Firstly, long press on any area of the home screen of your device to access the customization options. Okay, and then choose Settings here. Next, select the Appearance menu from the available options. Okay, and within the Appearance menu, locate and choose the Icon Size option. And then the way to enlarge the size of icons on your device, simply slide the slider towards the right direction. By following these steps, you can easily adjust the icon size to your preference, enhancing the visual appeal and usability of your device home screen. Larger icons are easier to see, which can be especially beneficial for users with visual impairment or those who have difficulty reading smaller text. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to increase icon size on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.